So you think it's stuck?
Yeah, it's definitely stuck.
You'll have that. Hello.
And welcome back.
Mike and Travis here. And it's not too bad outside. It's Friday. So we've decided to show you a mint piece to our collection out here. Now this is a rare, classic convertible. It's coming up on spring and it's time for convertible weather. Allow us to introduce you to the 1981 TR7. Now, due to storage limitations, I've had to park this beauty outside, but luckily, it's got a good convertible top that's keeping all the weather out of the inside. Today, we're going to take the Triumph for a little cruise around the yard. Well, the Triumph's battery is dead, among other things wrong with it, so Travis is going to be helping us here at the Seagull to give it a little assistance getting out of its parking spot. Now, if you know anything about a Triumph TR7, the strongest part on the entire car is the luggage rack. The Triumph has a dead battery, among other problems, and Travis will be using the Seagull to help us pull it out of its parking spot. Now, if you know anything about the Triumph TR7, the strongest point on the body is the trunk lid. Alright, yep, reset. If you know anything about Triumph TR7, strongest part is the convertible top, high-strength, military-grade canvas. Oh, she's got a leak now. As we were saying, the strongest part of the Triumph TR7. Well, in fact, it appears that the convertible top is the strongest point.
I've pulled more with less.
Now, apparently, getting this Triumph moved has become an emergency. So, luckily, installed from the factory is emergency brake handle. Oh yeah, that sucker's thick. What a shit handle. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Got it. Oh no, we found a radiator hose.
Here's part of it all the way out here.
Well, I guess we'll just try the bumper. Incredible. It turns out maybe the bumper was the stronger part. Well, it's sort of left a mark in the yard, two things could be playing into that. One, the tire's a little low, or two, when we use the e-brake handle, it's kind of permanently on.
No, it's not. Here we go.
Oh, all right, perfect. Perfect height. It's saving weight. It's what it is. We're just moving that out of the way. Well, so the Triumph has a couple issues. Mainly it's just a dead battery, but today it's Toyota powered. This here is Trash Mountain. Need some help. So you think it's stuck?
Yeah, it's definitely stuck.
Oh.
Yeah. Did you get it hooked up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. What'd you hook it to?
It's just like power steering rack, or that's just metal bar. It's thick, so.
Okay.
We've come to the realization that the only logical way to get it off of Trash Mountain is to take it off sideways.
Oh, strap came off. All right, we got it in the wheel now. Maybe this will work. Well, you broke the strap again.
Where's the other part? Oh.
There's some of it.
And well, it's gonna stay over here. People can see it from the road. They'll be coming from far away saying things like, wow, I wish I had that car. Do you wish you had this car? It's for free. Okay, just kidding. Not gonna leave it here. We'll bring out the big guns. How you doing?
We'll get it with this. Only one way to break in a good strap. put your grass back. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, but in your yard.
Well, we've used up all of our daylight hours, but it's good to take it for a spin every now and then. If you want that Triumph, we will deliver it to you free of charge, within reason. Please take it.
Free.
Extra free. Couldn't be more free.
We might even pay you if the price is right.
We will give you money to take the Triumph. No title, no keys, no questions.
Ignition cylinder's drilled out. It has a flat.
At least one.
I think a raccoon gave birth on the passenger seat.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? We forgot to put the top back up. It's gonna need shampooed.
Quick vacuum.
Oh, sorry. Do we actually know everything that's wrong with the Triumph?
I think there's a shorter list of what isn't wrong.
It's got good paint.
Virtually rust-free. Both doors open and close. Both doors are dent-free for now. 0 bullet holes.
For now. What are you doing tomorrow?
Blowing holes in a Triumph.
Right here.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment.
Facebook. We got lots of stuff on there.
Look at stuff that we've put there.
Like it. If you don't, comment and tell us why.
No, we'll change it.
We ain't changing shit.